I should have tried to open the basement exit, dude. Oh, hell yeah.
Got you, cookie boy.
Oh,
No!
Shut your ass in with it. I feel like I gotta give the channel some level 0 clip gameplay.
I gotta play Hitchhiker.
Yeah.
Now this is content.
Yeah. Dude, we're just gonna get clean. Everybody's like, oh,
I had to slap that Anna probably fucking 20 times with Hitchhiker.
You know, we add them padlocks? Can I add 3 padlocks to 1 door? Oh, I can't.
Yep, I stalled it.
Here's one right here. I see one. Through the wall. Fuck, bro. Cook's got some blazing speed.
I just destroyed this door. How'd it come back?
What does that even mean?
I think they just trapped me in the room.
Don't worry, bro. I'm coming.
Why can't I not destroy this door?
I'm here. Oh, look. There's bro.
They trapped me. Help. Listen, please.
I know. I got you.
Okay, I got it. They left me.
I'm fucking down here, though.
They just go upstairs.
One just went through the crack. Oh my gosh, I ran out of stamina, dude. Shit, I'm going the fuck in right now. Oh, here's the lane. Going in the shed. Just
Oh no.
what?
Did you miss him?
Yep, I stalled. Right in front of me.
Where?
Not good with this guy.
He's in this shed.
Okay. There he is. Hit him. Went through the crack right here. I think we're better actually with these heroes.
Yeah. We should only play with level 0s for now.
I haven't even been checking. Oh shit, here's bro. Just unlocked this gate. And went through cracks and I'm gonna lock this and put a padlock.
How did she? Dude, I hit her. Did I not?
Dude, let me put a fucking.
Oh, I got her in the trap.
Gotta be able to kill her.
Times.
Level 0.
Bro, she's just eating up. Oh, 4 times, bro! And I
Yep.
ran out of stamina. Really lost this bitch down here.
This is stairway to go upstairs is open.
Oh.
I did put a padlock on the front door. So. Oh, yep, Connie's here. On the balcony right now. About to come down the ladder side. Coming down the ladder on the balcony.
I'm gonna feed Grandpa quick.
Feed bro, feed him.
Stated.
Basement exit
Basement
open.
exit
Oh
open.
fuck! I know where that is. I'm mid grandpa
Don't.
feed. I don't know where it is downstairs, but I know where the switch is. I'll try to shut it off. Fuck! I just
He just
turned it off.
punched me.
I just turned it off.
He punched me and left.
It's fucked.
Just trying to ball my brows.
Just gotta win a game. I gotta get a kill.
We could just stab Gramps so many times that we kill him.
That should be a thing. If you can stab Gramps like 10, 20 times,
That'd be
you should be able
fucking
to just... I just wanna ball with my bros.
awesome.
On my screen they have 2 leather faces.
Imagine if that was a thing.
Wanna play?
Dude, if you could do 3 leathers, bro? That dude's laugh.
They all spawn in the basement.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, it smells broken here.
Oh, why'd he even leave, bro? Just let it run out.
What about Taco John's?
Yuck.
You want a little taco?
That weak shit out of my face.
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Yeah! I got you, G.
Oh shit!
Hey, you guys
Bro
go
stuck
there
it,
and
bro
me
stuck
hang
it,
out
bro.
here.
Holy hell, my boy! You're fucking out this bitch, bro.
Oh, I just farted. That smells bad.
That thing stank, my hood.
Oh, it does bad. Holy hell. Ham, tell me if that gets to you. I just farted. Tell me if you smell that, dude.
Time to stab the bag of bones, huh?
Time to
Stab,
stab the bag of bones. Here comes Leather out the garage door right now.
Johnny found my footprints. Oh, ball sack. It's actually really not good. Oh, fuck.
I'm turning the car battery off.
Wait, I'm actually up toast.
You would go to Culver's but not Taco John's? That makes no sense.
Eric, man, you can go to Taco John's.
I can? Let me teach you how to start your car. Can I teach you how to do it? Yeah. Your remote start. And then will you bring me?
You have to teach someone how to do that?
Well, let
With
me
their
see
own
it,
car?
please.
That's wild.
That's insane. Alright, what exit are we going out of? Someone describe it to me.
I'm in the basement.
Car
Oh,
battery
shitballs!
open, Clay.
Oh, I think I'm through a door that's unlocked.
Yeah,
I'm at
this
the
way's
car
open.
battery. What's up, bro? You already unlocked
Well,
it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go unlock another door just for shits and gigs. Unless, oh, here comes somebody actually. I'm gonna stab her, Clay.
I'll bait,
No.
and then you stab.
Imagine she beat me in the close encounter.
That'd be awesome.
Damn, I can't fucking see straight.
Oh, I didn't mean to leave. Alright. Watch Spence.
Yeah, watch me, bro.
You were late to
It's
lift,
your
dude.
boy Suspense, boss. We're gonna use some sick ass gameplay.
Yeah.
I was in
We're
there.
here on Nancy's house.
I watched
I
you
just
jump.
made some noise opening a door. Leather knows right where I am.
Wait, here we go. This could get interesting.
Door unlocked?
That is not in the car battery side. So it's
Oh,
probably
on one.
otherwise. Oh, you wouldn't. Didn't see
I
it.
think I see. Is that it over there? I can't. I think I see it.
That looks like it's a.
Level 1?
Oh my god, grandson, that's OP.
That is fucking cute as hell.
Oh.
There she goes.
Watch you run like that.
There you go.
Oh, wait.
Damn.
It's like.
Wait, she's fucking fine. Ooh. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Fucking drunk as hell, my boy. Oh, what?
Small garage. Or the small shed, probably. That math just don't math, do it? That's too many.
Like, I don't really know where this one is, so,
But I think you're by it.
Oh, shitballs.
Oh,
Oh, he's AFK. Bomber.
close.
There's a boxy in here.
Federal. This is the worst map, though.
Yeah. Making blitzing this right here, Clay. Just fucking sending this. Oh, Reese is here. I didn't even see it. Oh yeah, I'm blitzing it out the window,
can-
boys. So like, that's happening.
Okay.
Can we just run out the window with you? Or?
Yeah, yeah. Hopefully there's no fucking
The problem
trap.
is, I think Kitchen is still outside, but
That's okay, fucking.
guess we
Oh yes, no trap. Fuck, all my health's gone. Oh shitballs!
Oh shitballs! He's getting me!
I trucked his ass. Run!
I chucked him!
Wait, fuck. We
Where
gotta
you
turn
guys
the generator off. I don't know. I don't even have phone scrap.
already. Sissies on my balls.
I'm gonna turn the generator off. Just distract that guy, Reese.
I'm distracting them.
Oh fuck,
I gotta
no.
go through the hole.
He put a
I
thing
gotta do the
on
hole.
it. Should I run into it? Fuck. I'm just gonna say fuck it and run into it.
How's Sissy not chasing you guys?
Dude, cause I'm fucking going federal right
She
now.
was chasing me toward the gate.
Oh fuck, I'm
I
dead.
had to jump through a hole.
She's right in front of me. I'm kicking. Oh fuck, I got it. Well, I got out.
Oh my god, no help near. I gotta turn off the lights so I can bleed off.
This girl see me?
Oh, dark cloud.
Miss me with that bullshit.
I could try to.
Oh shit.
Is there a hole ski?
Hey, you're by me now.
Those gas.
AT.
Those gas fucking pulled.
Ah, I'm getting.
Blaze in the trunk.
Oh, never mind. She's not on me.
They left.
She's closed the fucking.
Bitch.
Get out of there, console.
God.
Let's go.
Let's go.
That's little thing.
Are you really gonna go waste your money at Taco John's, Reese? You really gonna do that? Think about what you're about to go.
Think about
do,
your
bro.
kids, bro. Think about your.
You really
kids,
think
bro.
it's worth it? Your kids are gonna
Well,
be fat because you're eating
about my
Taco
career?
John's.
Think of
What
the
about
children,
your
bro.
career?
Think about the
Go
children.
get a flank steak. Go get a ribeye. Cook heard me. Oh frick.
Fuck, dude, leave the game.
Oh frick. Cook.
Just imagine,
Don't
just like
cook
after he heard you, just waddling around up there, just being hella useless.
Oh my god. He's just hunched over, looking at me through the cracks in the flow.
One and I have two. That leaves you two for next time you want one.
Oh, I finally. Oh my god. I make a fucking noise right
It
when
literally
I
is.
finally
I'm so hungry.
How did I run into the bone scrap?
I don't think.
Wait, am I dead?
I don't think one
Oh
would
fuck,
put me on.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I should have tried to open the basement exit, dude. Oh, hell yeah.
Got you, cookie boy.
Oh,
No!
shut your ass in with it. Oh, here comes bro. Oh my gosh, you're in the wall.
My undercarriage. Cook's just looking at me like,
Dude, what are you doing, bro?
Reese, trade me
They're actually pretty good.
con, so I can respec.
You can't respec in a game, Clay. But
Oh shit.
say it one more time. What you said? Oh no, you're gonna have to wait.
Give finesse.
That it's wild.
Did you just say your roommate looks like Ice Spice?
No, yeah. On the road, I'll hit you up with an energy drink, but it's gonna be a while.
Bro,
I don't
Heike
ever go
looks
to a
like
gas
Ice
station.
Spice.
Bro's roommate looks like Ice Spice. Fucking thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, my Clay.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
I see
back
my
in.
bro.
No, he hit
I
me
see
with
you.
that.
Figure something out.
Just chonk me up with more of this good sauce. What?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Dude, when's this
Just
hot pocket
so
gonna kill
Oh, that is
bro,
hell.
upstairs.
I can't even hold it. It's so hot. So I know I
These
can't
guys
put
are
that in the bottle.
Oh, fuck, buddy!
Was it still like hot in the middle? Yeah. Did you like it? Is it something you buy again? They're for like moments like this.
I think
I don't
I
have
just
many
used the
moments
fuck out of bro.
Big bro?
Late night gigs.
No, little bro.
Clay, you're good to go upstairs if you want to do the fuse.
I know.
Wait, you found a fuse?
Yeah, I found the
Did.
fuse.
Dude, I'm up here, but shit's fucking going down up here, let me tell you.
I'm going on. I just found a good opening.
Alright.
Clay? He just put
wait.
that down?
I didn't even see my crouch right there. What the fuck is that?
Oh shit, I see you through the wall, bro.
Yeah,
Bro, come behind this cabinet, bro. I'm fucking giving this back in his...
Get through them cracks, baby!
No, not that crack!
Wait, I'm gonna save you. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude.
Absolutely. There's a bone scrap in the room you came from, on the opposite side. Bonk.
Oh, there's a bone scrap right there. So good. What up, bro?
No, you upset his stand.
Oh,
God.
Bro's dead as hell. Oh shit. Where's that
gonna
guy
pick
going?
you up.
Oh, where's that guy going? LBJ killed JFK. What a fucking name.
Fucking jump it.
Yeah, you're right. Simple cracks.
Nance balls in front of me. I stabbed him though.
Oh,
I kind of want to stab him too.
yeah, let Clay stab, bro.
Let me stab him, bro. I'll
Stop
get
being
him.
greedy.
Let me get him, bro. I got him.
Shit, bro.
Oh, Clay is dead.
I went back and forth on him.
What's by you, Reese? Oh,
Oh!
wow.
See if I can do this.
That'd be crazy if he beat you in that.
I can't in time.
Oh,
Worth it. I had to try.
yeah. That's tough.
Dude!
Well, yeah, we suck, so I guess that's good.
What the fuck was that sound? It sounded like a child.
Yeah, that's a cast probably.
Like near some shit right now. I just heard it go like,
That's good.
made me kind of uncomfortable a little bit.
Just embrace the gas, Vincent.
I mean, I'm trying, but like, jeez, man. I'm gonna get all sexual with me there. Oh, there's a fucking.